Solve this. Okay, let me give Arna a chance now. Go ahead, Arna.
Somu ate 2 by 5 part of the apple.
Okay, so let's do this. You're saying Ritu ate 3/5 of 3/5. Okay.
The whole
So
apple would be 5 by 5.
okay, if Ritu has eaten 3/5, you are saying Somu. And then I was eaten by brother Somu. So what is your Somu's answer? Somu is how much?
2 by 5.
Okay, Somu has eaten 2/5. Okay, next.
Ritu had the large share.
Next question is who had the largest share? Who had the largest share?
Ritu.
Ritu. So answer for this is Ritu. Very good. Okay. So what's the next question?
By how much?
Yeah.
By 1 by 5.
Very good. How much more did Ritu have? Ritu had 1/5 more than Somu. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Brilliant. So let's go to the next question quickly. Solve this. So P is given to you, Q is given to you. He's asking you whether P by Q, then which is correct? P by Q, P minus Q. Sorry, it is not P minus Q. P is equal to Q. I'm sorry. There's a typing error. Let me change it for you. It's P equal to Q or P greater than Q or P less than Q or none of this. So yes, so let's get on with this problem. This is interesting. This is the real challenging question. This is an Olympiad level question for your standard. 7th class kid, this is an Olympiad level question. Now let's concentrate. But it's not difficult. It's easy. Okay? Concentrate now. Now, first of all, we need to do this P value. First of all, start, the guesswork should be very good guess. It cannot be rough guess. It's not like, when I asked between 1/7, 1/8, 1/12, and 1/15, which is greater, Priscilla was very logical when she said, not Priscilla, I don't remember who said, I think Priscilla only. She said, sir, if I divide into more parts, that value will be lesser. So I'll get a smaller piece of the pizza. Therefore, she said, this is greater, this is greater, this is greater. That was so very logical. So if you're thinking like that is fine, but without any logic, your guessing answers is not worth it. I'll explain you. Now I'll explain Unmana. After you got this answer as, you got an answer as 13/48, right? You got one as 13/48 and 5/36. Right? So that were the two numbers that you got. Here also it was very easy. After you were trying to do something, but here if you could have used common sense and some logic to get to the answer. I'll teach that also. Just wait for a moment. First, let's solve this problem. Now, I need 16 and 24. Now, how do you get the LCM of 16 and 24? Okay, I'll teach you both the methods. Please concentrate. First, the regular method, 16 and 24. How do you do 16 and 24? So when you look at 16 and 24, there is one multiple that is common to both 16 and 24, which is 8. 8 twos is 16 and 8 threes is 24. So you could have first step itself, you could have taken 8 twos and 8 threes, and there is nothing common between 2 and 3. Therefore, it is 8 into 2 is 16, 16 threes are 48. So your LCM is 48.
Sir, doubt.
Tell me, Bhavya.
Sir, so when you take the LCM like how you did, sir, when you you did 8 into 2 equals 16 and 8 into 3 equals 24, right? So isn't it compulsory that you have to have a prime number to the left side, like where you multiply, like where you put a number?
No, not necessary. So, okay, yeah. Go ahead, Bhavya. Go ahead.
Sir, because it has the factors 2 and 4, 2, 4, 8, and 1. So, we might get the wrong answer, don't we?
Okay, so fair enough. Good question. So let me explain this in a different way then for you. Now let's take 16 and 24 and do it. Okay, 16 and 24 and do it in detail. 2. We start with 2. We say 2 8s are 2 12s are. Then we start with another 2 2 4s are 2 3s are. Then we start with 2 2 2s. Sorry, 6 are. Sorry. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. And then in your school, teacher might have taught This 2 and 3 also, you go ahead with 2 and say 2 1s are and 3s are, and then you take 3 and say it's 1s are and 1s are, because anyways this 2 doesn't go here and this 3 doesn't go here. So this is how you say 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. This is how you learnt in your schooling. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now what I'm saying is, but when I look at 16 and 24, now when I look at 16 and 24, look at me everyone. Now tell me, what is the LCM of 8 and 2?
8.
8.
Is that very good? Because we don't do any mathematics here. 8 and 2, the moment we say answer is 8, because this 2 lives inside 8. Basically 2 is a part of 8, so I need not even worry. 8 and 2 LCM is always 8. 24 and 8, what is the LCM? Oh, brilliant. 24 and 8, the moment I see, I know it is 24, because 8 3s is 24 and 8 24 lies inside 8. So even when I have 24 12 and say 8, what is the LCM of 24 12 and 8?
24.
4, because
Brilliant.
12 and 8 live inside
Brilliant, Arna. See, you are able to, now you started seeing the numbers 24 12 and 8. Immediately you can say LCM is 24, because 8 is a part of 24 and 12 is a part of 24. Correct? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Brilliant.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant. Now when I look at 16 and 24, the way my mind works, which I want each of you think like that. When you see 16, basically it is 8 into 2 and this is 8 into 3. Basically 8 is common to both of them, whereas 2 and 3 is not common. Therefore my LCM is simply 8 into 2 into 3. I repeat what I'm saying. 16 and 24, when I look at these numbers, it's 8 into 2 and it's 8 into 3. 8 is common to both, so I take 8 out. Into 2 is not common to both, therefore 2 should be multiplied. 3 is not common to both, therefore 3 should be multiplied. Therefore it is 8 into 2 into 3. This is a faster way of doing LCM. How many of you have understood? If you understood, say yes quickly.
Understood, but we should know how to divide it properly, right? Like 16, we can do it 4 into 4 and 24.
No, okay, yeah, no problem. I'll tell you, don't worry. This requires practice, Priscilla. It doesn't require to remember. Don't worry. Just I'll give you more examples. You'll understand. Give me a second. Let me take one more example, then you will get the logic very well. Now let's look at this problem. Is everyone in the class concentrating? I think everyone is live. Very good. Now let's pick up the LCM of 9, 12 and 16. Let's pick up 9, 12 and 16. Just observe this. The way I am doing, concentrate. Now, between 12 and 6, I will not worry about 6. Tell me why.
Because 6 2s are 12 and
Very
6 lives
good.
in 12.
6 lives inside this 12, or 6 is a part of 12. 6 2s is 12.
Yes,
So
sir,
for
but
me,
what about 9?
brilliant. Hold.
Okay.
So, what is the LCM of 12 and 6?
Sir, 12.
12.
Okay. So, between 12 and 6, if it is 12, I will not worry about 6. Now, I'll only worry about what is the LCM of 9 and 12. Now, when I'm doing 9 and 12, I can see 9 is 3 3s are, and I know this is 3 4s are. So 3 is common to both, therefore 1 3 comes out, and this 3 is not common, therefore into 3. This 4 is not common, so into 4. Therefore 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 is the LCM.